interaction. It's really for all people who would like to work with the user experience of computer science, and to use not only algorithms but actually use them to build an experience for users.
We have this study program in Human-Computer Interaction in which the students can both experiment with new technologies, including multi-touch and other novel interaction modalities. They can play around with the devices and so on, but also think about novel methods and how to develop systems, devices, interactive services in different ways.
We switch between theoretical courses and a little more practical courses. So we, in the first years, the students take one theoretical course and in parallel one more practical course. So in the practical course, for instance, we cooperate very closely with some companies, and the students work on real tasks for them.
It seems to be really interesting since it's a combination of the computer science, social science and the psychology.
It's a wonderful mixture of students, We have students from basically all over the world, but they are very, creative and very interested in this subject. So we learn from each other, and it's really interesting to have this mix of students. Yes, we have two labs actually. One is a usability lab, where we can record what people are doing when they are using computers, and it's quite interesting to analyze the data from these sessions, because you can really see how much the user interface can really affect the user experience. And we also have a more developmental lab where we are working with multi-touch and tabletop interfaces.
It's a very good way to learn about users and their experience in using different kinds of IT systems. We've had a lot of good courses where we got to learn how to design different kinds of IT systems in terms of usability, and we've also had some courses where we get to do some real projects for big companies like Aftonbladet and also Saab Aerosystems.
The difference that this master makes for the student is seen after a couple of years, because when they have been working for a couple of years, their career can take off much better if they have this basis as a master.